In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel HeyGen AI subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect, and how to confirm your plan won't renew. First, open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type HeyGen, then click the official HeyGen website from the results. If you prefer, you can go straight to the app by entering app.heygen.com. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account or workspace you want to cancel, especially if you manage multiple logins. A desktop browser makes this process easier to see and follow. Once you're in the HeyGen app, look toward the lower left corner of the screen for your profile icon. It might show your avatar or initials. Click that profile area to open your account menu. From the menu, choose Settings. This takes you to the main settings area where you manage your account details. Inside Settings, find and open the Plan and Billing section. This is where your current plan, renewal date, and payment details are displayed. On this page, look for the Upgrade button associated with your current plan. Right next to that button, you'll see a small arrow or caret. Click that arrow to open more options, then select Cancel Plan. If you don't see the arrow immediately, give the page a moment to load, or scroll slightly so the plan card is fully visible. A brief cancellation survey will appear. Select the reason that best matches your situation. This step helps the team understand feedback, but it won't stop you from canceling. After you've answered, confirm by choosing Continue Canceling. If you see an additional confirmation prompt, proceed to confirm again so the cancellation is fully applied. Here's the important part. Your subscription stays active until the end of your current billing cycle. You'll keep access and credits through that date, and after it passes, your plan will not renew and you won't be charged again. You can verify this right away. The Plan and Billing page should show the date your plan will end or indicate that the plan won't renew. It's also a good idea to check your email for a cancellation confirmation message. If you need any invoices or want to save project outputs, download those before your plan lapses. If your billing is handled through a different platform, like a mobile app store or reseller, the Plan and Billing page may direct you to cancel there. Follow any on-screen guidance you see. That's it. You've successfully canceled your HeyGen AI subscription with confidence.